What do you think of the explosions?
They like shake your whole body. It's kind of scary. Oh, we're just leaving our place that we stayed, our homestay, and they just gave us some free apples and some pears, and they're very nice. And bread too. So, спасибо. Welcome. Yes. Come again. We will see you soon.
We're leaving Rashan after a wonderful day of rest, after completing the Bartang Valley. Had a nice day with two guys from Switzerland, two guys from the Czech Republic, and two girls from Belgium. So now, a beautiful day, leaving Rashan and working our way to Dushanbe. Riding along the Afghanistan border. You can see some people walking along the pass on the other side of the river. It's interesting. It's got to be very similar, but very different worlds at the same time. Alright, just behind me there you see is Afghanistan, one of the stone villages. They have a lot of stonework, a lot of rock walls, building terraces, walkways. It looks nice, looks interesting.
We're in Tajikistan right now, and then literally like a couple hundred feet, well, yeah, about a couple hundred feet is the river, and that's Afghanistan. And what they're doing, if you actually listen, maybe we'll do it while we're recording, there's some explosions going on. They're blasting the road to make a better road over in Afghanistan, but initially when we heard it, it was quite scary, because we're hearing an explosion in Afghanistan and we're not really sure what it is. But you can clearly see that they're, doing some road work down there. So I'm at ease now, not as nervous.
They're literally boring a hole, building a road in the side of the mountain. We hear these huge dynamite explosions that rattle through the whole valley. And of course we're on the Afghanistan border, so you can't help but think what it is. But it's road construction.
My lips hurt real bad.
Ask the nurse for some chapstick. She probably has like 50 sticks. What do you think of the explosions?
They like shake your whole body. It's kind of scary.
There's another section of road being built, carved into the mountainside. You see over here the road, and now the mountain carving is beginning. The men working up high, blowing dynamite, building a channel. You see it extending all the way over here. And that's the end of the channel for now. And if we keep going, we can see them tunneling from the other side as well. A lot going on. This is the first crossing we've seen into Afghanistan. Doesn't look like too much is going on. There's military posts on each side. And we're climbing the steep hill with donkey noises in the background. Amber, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Why do you feel great?
We just stopped at a store. Well, yeah, store. And we totally fatted out and ate like a lot of junk food. But it's okay because we're gonna ride our bikes. And now we have energy. Even though it's only gonna last for half an hour. We had Starburst, Mars bars, ice cream, 2 other kind of chocolate bars, 2 bags of chips, 2 bags of chips, oh, like a croissant, and like a pastry thing with like stuff in it. I think that's it.
Patty, patty. About twice a day we've seen the Tajik military doing patrols, just walking up and down this road. I think it's more for show. Usually like 5 or 6 guys. And they all smile and wave, hello, hello, hello. But you know, it continues to be interesting as we ride along this border with Afghanistan. There's a little Afghanistan village right here. In the last village we stopped in to have some snacks, we started talking about Afghanistan and, you know, talk about guns and war and shooting, and they said, nah, here it's no problem. The people speak Tajik, which is the local language here, and probably generations ago, you know, they were families. So it's nice to know that here, and they said all the way to Dushanbe and the rest of the road that we'll follow with Afghanistan, that there's virtually no problem. So we'll enjoy the good views and a few friendly waves with the folks walking their donkeys and goats, and a few motorcycles on the other side of the river. Woo! Not sure if you can hear us with all the wind. Whoa! Sandy, dust. No. It's a little windy here. Headwind for us, unfortunately, as we go up the valley, down the valley. We're trying to make it to a homestay recommended by some other cyclists. We got about 13K to go, and it's getting a little bit later in the day, and the pavement has gone. It looks nice behind us, but in front of us it looks terrible. Oh, and it's starting to rain. So this will be fun. And of course, as we're racing the clock to get to a homestay before nightfall, we have a big hill. Of course, we haven't found any homestays or camping spots for quite a while, so we're hoping we find a good homestay when we arrive at the next village. Slowly cranking away. Gas station stops on this road. Not the big ones we've been used to seeing.